Kitchen remodel trends for 2025 emphasize sustainability, smart technology, and minimalist design. Homeowners are opting for eco-friendly materials like recycled countertops, reclaimed wood, and energy-efficient appliances. The use of natural stone, such as marble and granite, in countertops and backsplashes brings timeless elegance and durability. Bold, dark kitchen cabinets in colors like deep navy or charcoal are making a statement, contrasting with lighter countertops and walls. Open shelving is replacing upper cabinets, creating an airy feel and offering easy access to everyday items. Multifunctional islands are gaining popularity, featuring built-in storage, appliances, and even seating areas for dining or socializing. Hidden storage solutions, such as pull-out pantries and corner drawers, are essential for maximizing space and keeping kitchens clutter-free. Matte finishes on cabinets and appliances are a sleek, modern alternative to glossy surfaces, adding a contemporary touch. Smart kitchens are on the rise, with appliances that can be controlled via smartphone apps, from ovens that preheat remotely to refrigerators that monitor food inventory. Integrated lighting, especially under-cabinet LED lights, enhances the workspace while adding ambience. Natural, earthy color palettes with warm wood tones, soft greens, and terracotta hues bring a cozy, organic feel to the kitchen. Minimalist hardware, such as slim, matte black, or brass handles, keeps the design clean and streamlined. Statement range hoods, often in contrasting materials like copper or stainless steel, are becoming focal points. Open concept kitchens continue to be popular, blending seamlessly with living and dining areas for a more social atmosphere. Large windows or glass doors are being incorporated to flood the space with natural light and create a connection with the outdoors. Sustainability also extends to the kitchen's energy use, with more homeowners choosing solar-powered appliances and water-saving fixtures. Touchless faucets and hands-free technology offer both convenience and hygiene, especially in busy households. Designers are incorporating curved edges and soft lines into countertops and cabinetry for a more organic and inviting look. Finally, mixed materials, such as combining wood with metal or stone, add texture and visual interest, creating a dynamic yet harmonious kitchen design for 2025.